If you are looking for a milk that will help to support healthy weight gain for your child, help to improve their calories and make them to gain weight very fast, then this creamy oat milk recipe is one that you want to watch from beginning till the end, and you can use it to replace their regular milk. It is very, very fast.
Chubby butter now comes in a bigger jar.
Chopstar, you know that whenever I bring any recipe to you, I always come correct. This particular recipe is one recipe that if you can be able to make it at home, you will stop buying regular milk from the supermarket. So for the first ingredient, we are having our date powder, and this date powder is from Maki Healthy Food. Like you know, if you haven't gotten your red date powder, please head over to the description box and get one pack from Maki Healthy Food. It is 100% dates. So we'll just go ahead and measure out 2 tablespoons of Maki Healthy Food date powder into a bowl. See, this milk that I'm about to show you now is better than store-bought drinks that will appear very healthy, but they often contain added sugar and unnecessary fillers. After watching this video today, you will be able to make your own homemade milk that works. So the next ingredient we'll be using for this recipe is oatmeal, and this is our oats. So for the oatmeal, we are going to measure out 1 cup of the oats. A lot of chopstars here have complained that their babies are allergic to milk. If your baby is allergic to milk, you want to watch this video from beginning till the end. Try not to skip any part because it will pain you. Next up is cinnamon, and we are going to be using just 1 stick of the cinnamon. You can get the cinnamon from the supermarket or from the local market. Then next up is chubby butter. You know that there is no recipe for weight gain that we don't add chubby butter. Chubby butter is a compulsory addition to baby food. If you haven't gotten your chubby butter and you are a subscriber to this channel, you are wrong, because this is a fast weight gain butter that will help to increase the calorie count of your baby, and you can often get it from Maki Healthy Food. The link to this will be in the comment section, and it will also be in the description box. You can see that I've almost used all of my own, so this is the remnant from what I have. We're also going to be using 2 tablespoons of any full cream milk powder, or if you have a baby, you can use baby formula. Please, if your baby is allergic to milk, do well to skip this particular step, but this powder here will help to increase the calorie and make the milk to be very creamy. So you're going to start by toasting your oats on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes very crisp. Please do not allow it to turn brown. The intention is just to toast the milk and make it cooked, right? So you shouldn't allow it to burn or to turn brown. You're going to do this on a very low heat until you achieve that crispy texture. Chopstar, I bet you this is not the regular thin oat milk that you see everywhere. This version that I'm teaching you today is very thick, creamer, and designed to support healthy weight gain for babies, toddlers, and kids. And the best part is that it is made with very simple ingredients that you can see in your kitchen, right? So do well to watch this video from beginning till the end so that you can recreate your own and give me feedback. So after frying for a few minutes, proceed to add your cinnamon for flavor, and after frying for like 10 minutes, our oatmeal is okay. We are just going to transfer it into a bowl, and the next step is to soak our oats. So now we are going to be using 3 cups of room temperature water. So the secret there is, or the trick there is, if you're using 1 cup of oats, go ahead and use 3 cups of room temperature water. That is the perfect measurement. You can see that I am measuring out the 3 cups of water. Please make sure that your water is very, very clean, because this water we are using to soak the oats is still what we are going to use for the whole of the recipe. The goal is to extract a soft milky base from the oats. Now once you have poured your 3 cups of water, go ahead and stir the oats until everything is well combined. You're going to cover it and allow it to soak for like 15 minutes. Next up is our milk, our full cream powdered milk. We're just going to transfer it into a jar and then add half cup of water. Please take note of the measurement and always do well to follow the right measurement. So we are going to be adding half cup of water to the milk to fully dissolve it. If you don't have powdered milk, you can as well use liquid milk. You can also use your baby formula as well if your baby is still at the infancy stage. But if you have a toddler or you have a kid that you want to gain weight, please go ahead and use full cream milk powder. Then after soaking for about 15 minutes, our oat is now ready. So we're just going to remove the cinnamon from the water. Next up is to transfer the soaked oat into a blender. Then we are also going to add our date powder. Remember the Maki Healthy date powder we set aside. Yes, this is the right time to add it. Then we are also going in with our full cream milk powder, and we are also going in with Maki Healthy Food Chubby butter. Yes, this is for extra calorie and weight gain, very powerful. So we are going to use 1 tablespoon of Maki Healthy Food chubby butter and add it into the blender as well, and we are going to blend this mixture until we achieve a very soft milky base from it. See, Chopstar, whatever I tell you that it actually work, just go home and try it, because it is something I have tried and tested on my kids and I saw the results. You see this particular milk, if you start giving your baby this milk, you will begin to see amazing results. Or when you start adding it to their pap, their cereal, or even letting them to drink it on their own, just to watch and see, you will see weight gain and you will run, because this one is not your usual thin oat milk that you see everywhere. Oh. No, this one is thick, creamy, and very satisfying. The kind of drink that actually makes food feel like food. And the best part is that your baby will even enjoy it. Like, you can use it for virtually everything: pap, cereal, breakfast, or even a quick drink in between meals. And that is the reason why I like it. It makes feeding time easier for mothers, and the weight gain is on another level. So after blending it, you just go ahead and sieve out the milk. You can do double sieving if you feel that the fiber is still inside the milk, right? So because I want to get just the pure milk, I had to sieve it again using a muslin cloth to make sure that there is no fiber in it. But if you don't mind a little bit of fiber, you can just sieve it once and that will be fine. Okay, so you can see how creamy this is. Very creamy. The color is amazing. The taste is 1 in a million. Very, very, very nice. When you have this, you don't need to buy milk again. If you have this, you don't need to be struggling for how to go and start buying milk every week for your baby. This is a total replacement for your baby milk, and it is very easy to make. So if your baby is really underweight, I highly recommend this for your baby. So if you're a mom here and you're looking for a milk that can help your baby to gain weight, like those of you that used to chat me up that they want I should recommend milk, homemade milk for weight gain, now this is it. Just go to the comment section and start telling me thank you. Just drop a heart emoji. That is all I want you to do. Go to the comment section, drop a love, a heart emoji, or just say thank you for this recipe. And so, Chopstars, at this point, your creamy oat milk is ready to serve. So what you're going to do is very simple. Take the portion your baby will drink immediately. Then for the remaining one, just pour it into a clean airtight bottle like this. Make sure it is well covered. Then you can store it in the freezer so that anytime you want to feed your baby, just bring it out and allow it to thaw a little. It will return back to this creamy liquid anytime you bring it out from the freezer. And the beauty of this milk is that it is so versatile. You can give it to your baby as it is, as a drink. You can pour it into their pap as their milk. You can mix it with their cereal. You can add it to any meal that needs milk boost. You can even blend it with banana or apple to turn it to a quick smoothie. Very quick filling and very convenient for busy days. Honestly, if you have this milk, you don't need to go about looking for milk for your baby again. This is calorie loaded, it is rich, it is filling, and it is very delicious. This milk is suitable for babies from 6 months and above. Chopstars, this milk here really works. And for those of you who have been asking me for a homemade weight gain milk, something that is simple, that you can just prepare at home, or a milk recommendation for weight gain, this is it now. This creamy oat milk is one of those recipes that can easily fit into your child's daily meal, whether as a drink or added to their pap or their cereal. Now let me also state this clearly. If your child is already naturally chubby or your child is gaining weight well, please simply make the plain oat version of this one without adding the extra rich ingredients. Don't add the Maki Healthy Food Chubby butter and don't add the full cream milk. Please just make the oats plainly like that. But if your child is slim or you're trying to support healthy weight gain for your baby, then this richer version that has Maki Healthy Food Chubby butter and full cream milk powder is what you should focus on to be using in your child's meals. And please, Chopstars, before you go, make sure you get your Maki Healthy Food Chubby butter if you don't have one already, because this is actually one of the key ingredients that makes this oat milk rich, creamy, and very, very active for your baby's weight gain. And if you already have it at home, very perfect. Just go ahead and recreate this recipe and start using it for your baby's drink, pap, cereal, in fact, everything. Honestly, once you have something like this in your kitchen, there's really no need to keep buying different types of milk again and again. If you enjoy this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss more baby foods like this. And before you go, please drop a small thank you or a heart emoji in the comment section so I know that you are here and you want more recipes like this. I truly appreciate you for watching. See you in the next one.